Hey Fit Warriors, welcome back to Fit Formulas. Today, we're diving into a quick and unique six-pack abs workout that'll sculpt your abs like never before. Ready to fire up those abs? Let's get started. Let's start with exercise 1 called the Modified Candlestick. It's a bit advanced but super fun. Imagine turning your plank into an exciting journey. Find a bench, push yourself up, squeeze your abs, and lower down slowly. Don't worry about counting reps, just focus on feeling empowered. Try to do around 2 to 5 awesome reps. Exercise 2, Copenhagen Plank, targeting abs, obliques, hips, and thighs. Lie on your side, lift those hips, and stack your feet. It's a special occasion for your core. Not just an ab workout, it's a full body hit. Attention, take notes. Exercise 3, hanging leg raise. Time to hit those lower abs with a vengeance. The hanging leg raise. Hang, straighten those legs, and reach for the sky. This is the hero of ab exercises. No swinging allowed, your lower abs are about to take the spotlight. Exercise 4, weighted decline crunch. Let's level up those upper abs with the weighted decline crunch. An unforgettable experience for your midsection. Secure those feet, grab a weight, and crunch your way to a sculpted masterpiece. This isn't your usual crunch, it's top-level strength. Are you up for the challenge? Exercise 5, cable choppers. Now, the big guns, cable choppers, turning those obliques into a work of art. Set the cable, stand strong, and chop down on those obliques. It's not just an exercise, it's a great creation for your core. Feel the burn, embrace the resistance, and let those obliques shine. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each side. Let the cable be your sculptor. There you have it, our top 5 abs exercises for a quick core sculpt. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up and tell us your favorite exercise in the comments. Subscribe for more fitness journeys, because remember, you're not just working out, you're unleashing the hero within. Keep pushing, stay committed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay fit, stay fierce, and let those abs shine.